Hello everyone, this is PFJ, or Personal Finance Journey. The goal of this channel is to teach some basics of personal finance and to create a strong foundation. This channel won't be about how to budget or how to save money. There's a lot of YouTube channels out there that do that. This will be more along the lines of how to structure your finances, so you can take advantage of some opportunities that are out there that you might not know about. These can include tax savings accounts such as Roth or 401ks. This can also include specialized accounts such as an high interest savings account. We'll also talk about some basic information such as what is an emergency fund. But my goal with all of this is to create some long-term habits that will set you for the future. I hope to do this in a fun, straight-to-the-point environment. The videos will be as short as possible and contain only the most important information. I'm new to this, so I apologize for technical difficulties, but I hope you like it.